So we're live. Good morning. How's everybody doing? Let's get this show on the road. Today we're trading the futures, NASDAQ on top step prop firms. Okay. So let's get this started. Let's see what's up here. Hope everybody's doing good, man. Let's see, hold up. Trying to figure this out. About to get to charting right now. Let's see. Looks like Top Step is working today. If you don't know, it was acting up yesterday. So seems like they fixed it. Seems like a lot of stuff was down yesterday, so they fixed it though, it seems like. So let's so this is NASDAQ here. We're gonna go to the daily chart here. That's where we're gonna start. This is all the stuff from yesterday that I marked. We're gonna delete that. Okay. Start with a clean slate. What I'm gonna do is mark out the high right here. This is we're marking some liquidity. Just a high that has not been taken out yet. These are two highs that have not been taken out yet. Okay, they're right next to each other. I'm just gonna mark both of them, just to mark them. I'm gonna mark out the low from yesterday. We already took out this high yesterday, so we're not gonna mark that. Tuesday low. I also want to see the opening price of this candle here. So this opening price right here of this daily candle for me. Okay, it looks like we're grinding out. We just passed this daily for red gap here, expecting to take this out right here for sure. When, I'm not sure, but it looks like we're gonna take that out for sure. Maybe get a tap back into this right here. Fair value gap, IVG daily. We'll just see what happens there. Okay, let's go to the 4 hour now. 4 hour. Let's see. We inverted this fair value gap. I guess we did tap. Yeah, I guess we did tap back into it, didn't we? Yeah, we tapped back into it. So we inverted this fair value gap. We come back into it. So looking to take this high out if it wants to keep going up in this trend right here, which makes sense. Passing up all these fair value gaps here. So we're looking for this to be respected, this to be respected, these fair value gaps to be respected. And that's the next draw right here. So I'm looking for this to get taken out for sure. Okay. 1 hour. Let's see. We'll mark this out right here for fair value gap. 1 hour. Gonna mark this one out just in case we come down here. See what's up. Right there. I want to see what this is here. Now we pass it up and come back to it. Pass it up, come back into this fair value gap here. Okay, so it's BPR, balanced price range with the fair value gap, high FVG, and a regular fair value gap here. One that we passed up and one that we just kind of made and bounced to it. So we're just looking for something to take that high out right there. Let's see if it wants to keep going. So the 15 real quick. Right now I'm just looking for things to something that that confirms us going up for a long entry. We're so close to this high, to the equal highs over here, that there's no reason. We're so close to the equal highs. There's just no reason for us to go down lower right now. If we do go down lower, I just wait for it. I just want to wait for it to come back up and look for something to go back up. But I really don't want to take any shorts right now, to be honest with you. So mark out every 15 fair value gap that I see. If we come down here, that'd be good, and see a bounce and then go up and take out the highs, I'd be down for that. If we come down in here, yeah, I'd be down for that if we do that. That makes sense to me. Let's see what that would be. Hold on. There's not really a range. Kinda is though. We'll just mark it. See what we got here. From there to here. Yeah, that'll probably be, let's see. Yeah, that'd be a good point to see it bounce up, but we will see. Let's also mark out midnight open. See what's up with midnight open real quick. London high, London low. Alright, okay, see. We'll take out London high. That's London low down here. London low, and we also got Asia high over here. Got that. Maybe take out London low and then see it grind up somewhere. We could balance out, come down here into this discount of this range, huge range. Maybe see a long. No fair value gaps here to be seen in this little area right here. We could do the opening gap here. See what kind of gap we got. We got right here's the settlement. That's where the price settled from yesterday. So we came up and the market closed right there. And today it's gonna open up wherever it opens up at 9:30. But we get to see the gap that forms, measure it, see if we get a 50% retracement, and just kind of evaluate what to do from there. Just something else to go with your bias. Kind of like an SMT or something. Kind of just helps with the trade a little bit for me. See if there's any news. No news right now. No news that I see. So I'm just ready to trade. See what happens. Let's put this on the, since we're done marking, we're gonna put that on the 1 minute. So now we can see this is a 1 minute chart. This is the 5 minute here. I'll mark out on the 5 minutes some fair value gaps here real quick. That's 5 minute there. Relative equal lows right here. See if we take those out real quick. There. Equal lows. So we'll see what happens there at the equal lows. Market opens up in 5 minutes. Okay, let's see what happens here. So we pass this 5 minute up right here. Maybe come back to it and then take off. Or we want to go down and rebalance first. Take some equal lows out, take London lows out. Let's see. Let's see. I don't necessarily use this, but it does help. It helps me like, because understand the high probability helps like a high probability entry a little bit more. That's what it seems like. Because of the candles that what this does, it just shows a candle that has a gap right here and a gap there, just pretty much showing strength going up. I really don't use it on the 5 minute, but I'm looking at it on the 5 minute just to see if there's any merit to it and if it actually works on the 5 minute. Usually just on the 1 minute is what I've seen, but we'll see. So yeah, now we're just waiting for the market to open. Let's look at ES. Got 1 minute left. See if we could quickly analyze ES. See what it's looking like. I see this that we just closed past this on the 15 minute. 15 minute, gotta close past that. 1 hour, let's look at the 1 hour. Bouncing off a little 1 hour there. Boom, boom. There. About 15 seconds until market opens. Right there. Let's see what we got here. What's a 4 hour? Looks like we're bouncing on the 4 hour too over here. Let's see what happens here. See what happens there. We just close past the 5 minute. See if we get some. See if we get something here. Just looking, see what's going on.
Moab 240. My body can believe it, but my mind can't. So, a little life update. Things are going well on recovery. All the little things like my lips, my canker sores, my chafing, all that's good. My feet are not swollen anymore. Toenails still completely messed up. Legs have some weird soreness in them. Definitely not 100%, but I have run 45 miles since
Let's take out them little relatively equal lows.
Get the blood flowing. Got 5 days.
We have not took out London lows yet.
A little bit nervous. You know, I wish I had another week to recover. So it's definitely going to be an interesting javelina for me. Probably party pace and just enjoyed myself for an extended period of time out there on the trails. But either or, I just got to figure out what costume I'm going to wear, and I'll see all you crazies out there. Make sure to say hi. Can you believe it's been a week since I finished Moab 240? My body can believe it, but my mind can't. So, a little life update. Things are going well on recovery. All the little things like my lips, my canker sores, my chafing, all that's good. My feet are not swollen anymore. Toenails still completely messed up. Legs have some weird soreness in them. Definitely not 100%, but I have run 45 miles since Moab, so, you know, getting the blood flowing. Got 5 days till Javelina. Little bit nervous. You know, I wish I had another week to recover, so it's definitely going to be an interesting Javelina for me. Probably party pace and just enjoying myself for an extended period of time out there on the trails. But either or, I just got to figure out what costume I'm going to wear, and I'll see all you crazies out there. Make sure to say hi. Can you believe it's been a week since I finished Moab 240? My body can believe it, but my mind can't. So
we need to call Wes.
The Book of Enoch is nuts.
That's
Talk
the
to
giants
us
about it.
And what did Wes Huff say? He said
He said legitimacy. Yeah, it's 100% legitimate text. It's legitimate religious text.
Well, who decided to canonize Bible?
That's for the New Testament, right? And so with the Old Testament.
I don't know. It looks like maybe take out London lows. Makes sense right now. Okay, we got a suspension block here. Should we get an inversion here? I'd like to see it on the 5-minute before I take it, or the 15-minute before I take it. Anything. We did invert. We did inversion. Invert. That fair value gap there. Come back to the suspension block. See how that holds up. If we close past that, it'll be an order block. I just want to see the 5 and 15 follow suit to this. Nothing clear yet. Nothing real clear yet. Good drop right here, good drop right here. Good drop. So we go down, took out London low right there. Okay, we took out London low. Next target would be 50%. Let's see the 1 hour. We also got this 1 hour down here. See what happens with this 1 hour. See what happens with this 15 here. I want to see what happens with that 15 real quick. Should have only a little bit left, yeah. See if we close past this or not. We're in this pre-rag gap here. See how it holds up. Be cool to see an inversion right here. want to see how this 15 minute, we got 10 seconds left, see if it holds it or not. Looks like a good long right here. If we close past this. Because we just took out London lows. Okay. It was almost an inversion, so was not though. Waiting for that good setup here. Seeing what happens. Wait for something good to happen. Nice and clear cut. Let's see what happens here. Still didn't make it to the 1 hour. Still didn't make it to this other 1 hour. See what happens here. Trying to get my trade idea for the 5 and 15 really, and just 1 minute for the entry. So right now it's looking like this big strong push down into this 15. Like that could be a reversal. Just I just want to see more. Like this, get passed up. That 1 hour to close. That's 12 minutes. To make sure it doesn't close past this. Still got some lows down here on ES that haven't been taken out yet. Just gotta stay patient, risk management, and waiting for the 5 or 15 to tell us. I think that's important, man. I think that's something important I just learned recently. I'm just kind of letting the 5-15 minute tell you first, and then do this. Don't, because this is gonna look like anything. It could look like whatever. This could be like, okay, we inverted it, let's go higher. But the 5 and 15 isn't really telling you that yet. Did we get an inversion here? Just not clear cut. Okay, so we want it to be clear cut. That's what it's trying to tell us right now. Can't really pinpoint it. We really don't know yet, so we're not chasing anything. We're not trying to chase it. We're trying to see what it wants to tell us. We want to make sure the 5:15, 1 hour, all align and it's clear. And it's super clear. If it's not clear, it'll clear up. Give it time to clear up, it'll clear up. Freaking fly. It'll clear up. So we got right here. We have a 5-minute. So what I want to take along right now, if we get inverted this, probably not. Because we're looking pretty bearish. We ain't went to 50% yet. We ain't hit the 1 hour yet. I don't want to see this get inverted first. I don't want to see this get hit and then go down. So the 5 minutes, that's what the 5 minutes telling me. 1 minute's telling me it might want to invert and go higher. I don't know. But I want to make sure the 5:15 tell me too. So 15, we're still holding it. Cool long wick right there. But we're coming up on a 5-minute. We got a little shoot up right there, dang. So we hit that. Sit back. We don't have to get in it. Made some equal lows on ES. We didn't quite get there. Did we take it out? No, we really didn't take it out. So, made some equal lows. So we'll see what happens, dude. If we get a fair value gap here and then invert it going down, I'll take it. I'll take that. Yeah, if we invert this, I'll take it. Because we're hitting the 5 minute. So the 5 minutes letting us know we're bouncing off of that. This big 15-minute candle's letting us know we're kind of bearish. So that would let me know that we're trying to go lower, especially at the equal lows right here. But we still ain't done this yet. We still haven't finished this business over here. So yeah, that's the 5 minute right here. Holding it. Coming back into this breaker block right here on the 15 too. So we'll see what happens if we get an inversion, if this gets inverted or not. Still room to the downside, it seems like. Still holding the 1 hour though, so we'll see. We're in the 5 minute, so I'm just double checking the 5 minute. We'll see what happens here. Look at the 4 hour. Didn't quite make it in there. Got 5 minutes on the 4 hour too, see if we close past this or not. So you can see how the 5 minute, we just came back to that, waited for it to come back to that, and see if it wants to go lower. See if we get this inversion on the 1 minute. Let us know what change of state like a push in the other direction. So if we get that, then we'll take it. We'll see here. Hopefully it doesn't take these lows out beforehand. We'll see. See if we get pushed up a little bit. Okay, let's see. So we're in there a little bit. We're in there a little bit right now. And they're at 228. Stop is at 5.7. Let's see what happens here. Looking for a good push down. So we got this here. Got a 4 hour there too. 210. Okay. Once we hit here, I'll probably bring it super close. Probably break even once we hit the 4 hour. Just expecting a good push down. I want to see this 1 hour get ran through right now. Got a minute, about 2 minutes left. We did just hit this freaking ES low right here though.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take most of it out because I forgot about the ES. Yeah, I forgot about ES over here. I already took out these lows, so I'm gonna get out of it.
Order filled.
Yeah, get out of that. So ES already took out these lows here, so I'm not trying to be in it after that. Took out all this low right here. So now we didn't hit the 4 hour, but the ES already took out these lows, so that's enough for me to get out of it, to be honest with you. I didn't see that, so once I seen it, then I get out of it. And we still could go down. It's just for me, the probability of it taking these lows out and all these lows right here and then reversing is high. It's a high probability it'll take the lows out and then reverse on the ES. So I don't want to be in it right now. I don't want to be in it with that. So we're down $40, which ain't nothing. I think we're risking like 300 to make 600. So we minimized it. Got out when I knew, and I saw this get taken out. It just made it less probable for me. I didn't want to be in it anymore. And it's not good for me to hold a trade if it's already done thing. If it's not probable anymore and it doesn't make sense anymore. So I just try to get out of the thing. Okay, let's see. So right now, it's not too bad for a reversal just because we took out these lows over here on ES. But I would need to see something pretty clear, like this 5-minute get inversed. I need something on the 5 or 15 to show us they're ready to do that. We hit this 1 hour, we close below it, so we're not even looking long right now for sure. I'm not looking long right now. For sure not looking long. It just doesn't make sense. It does not make sense to go long right now. We'd even hit the 4 hour. So our shorts are still in play. At least a little bit. So we'll see. See if we hit the 4 hour over here on ES or not. If there is a 4 hour over there. We're in the 4 hour. There's one way down here, but this one we're in. On NQ, we haven't quite hit this one, so we're waiting for it to hit that one. That'd be good. That'd be really good. Hit that one, which is close to the 50% too of the range. That little range that I made. 1 hour we closed below it. It's looking pretty bearish. But once we get to the 4 hour, I'll switch to bullish probably. But I'll still need to see it on the 5 minute. Something like a change in state of delivery. Something. Give me some good green bars. Something to let me know that we're ready to turn around. Right now, just looking short till we hit this 4 hour. Come up in here, this 1 hour, And I don't know if we want to come to this IFVG daily. I mean, I don't know if we want to come down there or not. But we'll wait and see what happens. We're not going to take every inversion we see going up. We're going to wait till 5 minutes everything else shows us and it's already moved in that direction, and then take something going up to complete it. Cause we still got a long way to go up, so we're not missing anything. So, but I'd like for it to hit that 4 hour first. Otherwise, I'm not gonna get into anything. Came over here, hit this order block, which is, you come down here, boom, boom. You could imagine this, whatever you want to do, like a little block here. I mean, let's see. Oh, dang, same freaking color. Let's see. Okay, so you can imagine this being like a little block right here. This little green candle. So boom, boom, boom. And we're kind of using that as resistance. This whole little green candle with a wick. I'm not sure. You could, that'll be like a stop, but just boom, 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 boom. You count the wick too if you want. This whole little block, this green candle, because we're going down, 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 green, down, 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 and we're hitting that on the 5 minute. And we're seeing if what they're respecting right now is the most important thing. I learned that from Jade Cap, a video I watched. I don't watch it much, but I watched that one. And just kind of look and see what's it respecting right now. Was it disrespecting? What is it respecting? And kind of go in that direction. If you want to go in the other direction, then you wait for the other things to start getting respected. Right now, there's nothing bullish getting respected on this right here. So this border block is getting respected. Boom, boom. Let us know go down. This is getting respected. This fair value gap. Let us know we go down. I mean, this is getting disrespected. Let us know we want to go down. 15 minute. 1 hour got disrespect and close below. Let us know we want to go down. Nothing saying bullish yet on this. on this or the 1 hour. So that's what we're really looking for. And then if we want to go bullish, and all we do is want to take longs, then we wait for something to wait for the 15 minutes to show it, 5 minutes to show it, and then we do it entry on the 1 minute. We don't let the 1 minute be, oh look, it's respecting something. You mean like it's disrespecting whatever? You mean it's just 5 and 15 are more important. 5 or 15 are more important, and then you go down to here and look for your entry. Is what people do that I watch. And that's why I got it out. That's why I got out of the trade. We got in here, and then we just saw. I just kind of noticed, cause I just started kind of using ES with it. You mean like as far as liquidity levels and all that too. And I just saw ES on the 15-minute take that freaking big, all this too, all this and all that. Take those lows out. So I'm like, okay, yeah, that's the target. That's the target. You know what I mean? If I was trading ES, that'd be my target. You'd be done. You'd be finished. That's pretty much it. There's no fair value gaps coming in, except for this one way down there. So NQ will follow suit to ES. So that right there, let me know. Get the heck out of the trade. Doesn't matter if you lost or not. Just get the heck out of the trade. You didn't see it before. Now you see it. Then you respect your game plan and do what you're supposed to do. So patience is the key, man. Wait for the 15 and 5 minutes to do something, and then you can take your entry on the 1 minute. Whether it be an inversion, whether it be a change of state of delivery, whether it be a order block, breaker block, any of those, IFVG, fair value gap, or fair value gap lined up with a order block or a breaker block or whatever. Just make sure your 5 and 15 minute lineup clear with it. That's the best thing I can say. We're still respecting this order block here, but just chopping away though too. You mean? Still haven't hit this 4 hour or the 1 hour, so we're waiting for that for some longs. Longs over here be good. So what I'm looking for is something like this coming up in here. Then maybe see about taking the long over here. Something like that. So long bias would happen if this kind of goes up and we close past this. signifying a change in state of delivery if we close past this. But right now, we're just holding it. And we got all this stuff going on over here on the 5, 15, and 1 hour. So all we're doing is coming back to this 15. That's all we're doing. I mean, so we came down, closed. We finally just now came back up into this 15 right here. I mean, we just did that. So we usually close past for reg gaps, come back to it, and then go. So that's all we're doing. So is there a long? Should we go long? No, not yet. Because we're just coming back to this 15 to go down, it looks like. But that's what it does. There's no clear entry to go short either. Nothing super good, super clear to go short. Got 35. Let me see what that would look like. Something like that. Right there. Maybe a tight stop loss. But effective, nonetheless. I'm looking to hit that 4 hour. That'd be 3 to 1. But you'd have to see a good candle right now. That right there, let me know. We're not ready for it yet. It'd have to close down here, come back to this level, and then come down. So we have to see it. Big old candle come down here, big old candle come down here, and then come back to this, and then come down. But looks like we're going up right now, so we don't have to worry about that. Came right back to that 5 minute. Right now, still short, man. I mean, I'm still short right now. Just because the 5 minute changes, it doesn't. The 5 minute doesn't negate my 1 hour and 15 minute bias of us going down and nothing. We're not bouncing off anything higher time frame. So just because a 5 minute change state of delivery, that's not enough. It helps, but it's not enough. Now we passed out the 5 minute, so now it's kind of letting me know we're trying to go bullish now. That's more than one thing. So we passed that up. If anything, I'm looking for it to come back down into here and then maybe go up. Look for a 1 minute entry to go up. But that's it. Okay. So we got this 5 minute here. See if we get a good bounce here. Maybe see if we get a reversal here right now. See what happens. Dang. Good dump. Good dump, man. So yeah, I'm looking for some shorts right now. Regardless. This 5-minute close looks good. Boom. Looking to get that 4-hour still. But yeah, we'll see. That was a good drop. Wherever this 5-minute closes would be a good entry. It just so far, and we're about to hit this already. If it was like over here or something, yeah. But right now, no. Good drop, man. That's a freaking good drop right there. We already took out the low, so can't really do that as an entry. Otherwise, it probably would have been. And we hit the 4-hour too. And we hit the 1-hour. So, expecting a reversal, but gotta wait. Maybe we're trying to go to this IOVG daily. This is what we may be trying to do. I'll wait a little bit longer, but I think that's about it for today. Wait a little bit longer though. See what happens. See what happens here. I'm expecting it to come down here like I did earlier, and show a reversal right here. That could be it. This could be it right now. It could be it right now. It could be it right now. Let's see. It may go in a little bit. If it comes back here, we'll see. Not too much. We'll see what happens here. Let's see. Four-hour bounce. Inversion coming off the 4-hour. It's really good. But I needed to come back here. We did come back. We did take it out, came back. I just wasn't prepared. And I wasn't ready yet. And I really wanted to come back and create this fair value gap and then come back into it. We'll see if it wants to. Yeah, it's too late now. I don't even. I'd want to see an inversion coming off this thing now. I don't want to get in there anymore. That's pretty much it right there. So that was our trade for the day right there. Why we got that inversion coming off the 4 hour. That was a trade. We would have got it. Pretty much got out right there anyways. We would have been break even by now. But yeah, I would have got out right there. So that would have been it. I think that's it for the day, man. That's all we got. That's all I got. That's all I want to do today. Might go do what I need to do today. Get stuff done. Thank y'all for watching. Tune in tomorrow. Every day. I'll be live. I'll see y'all next time. God bless.